Stop scrolling. Because if Tesla really launches the 2026 Tesla Model 1, this could be the car that finally kills the idea that electric cars are expensive toys. Imagine a Tesla that costs closer to a Toyota Corolla, runs almost free every month, fits perfectly in tight Asian streets, and still feels futuristic in America. That's what the Model 1 is trying to be. And today, I'll tell you whether this is the smartest new car you can buy in 2026, or just another hype machine. The 2026 Tesla Model 1 is designed as Tesla's most affordable, most practical car ever. In the USA, the expected starting price is around $25,000 before incentives. After federal EV credits in many states, real-world pricing could drop closer to $20,000, which is wild for a Tesla. In Japan, pricing is expected around 3.8 to 4 million yen, while in ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, pricing could land between 28 to 35,000 US dollars depending on import taxes. For Asian buyers, this undercuts many hybrids while offering full electric ownership. Now let's talk fuel savings, because this is where the Model 1 quietly destroys gasoline cars. The Tesla Model 1 is a full EV, so there is no fuel average in miles per gallon. Instead, it delivers an estimated 4 to 5 miles per kilowatt hour. In simple terms, in the USA, charging at home costs roughly 3 to 4 cents per mile. Compare that to a gas car at 12 to 15 cents per mile. Over 1 year, the average American driver can save over $1,000 in fuel alone. In Asian countries where fuel prices are higher, the savings are even bigger. For city drivers in Japan or Southeast Asia, charging overnight at home or using low-cost public chargers can cut monthly fuel costs by more than half compared to petrol cars. Maintenance is another massive win. The Tesla Model 1 has no engine oil, no spark plugs, no transmission fluid, and no timing belt. That means fewer service visits and lower bills. Annual maintenance cost is expected to be around $300 to $400 in the USA, mostly for tire rotation, brake inspection, and cabin filters. In Asian markets, maintenance costs remain low because electric drivetrains are simple. Brakes also last longer due to regenerative braking, especially in city traffic. Resale value is where Tesla usually surprises people. Even older Tesla models hold value better than many gas cars. The Model 1 is expected to retain around 60 to 65% of its value after 3 years, which is strong for a compact car. In Asian markets where EV demand is rising fast, resale could be even stronger, especially in urban areas with EV incentives and restrictions on gasoline vehicles. Performance is simple but smart. The Tesla Model 1 is not a sports car, but it feels quick where it matters. 0 to 60 miles per hour is expected in around 7 seconds. In city driving, that instant electric torque makes the car feel faster than many gas sedans. Traffic lights, merging, and stop-and-go driving feels smooth and effortless. On the highway, it cruises comfortably at 70 miles per hour with stable handling and quiet cabin noise. It's tuned for comfort, not aggressive driving, which suits daily commuters perfectly. For ownership cost, insurance in the USA is expected to be slightly higher than a Corolla but lower than a Model 3. Average monthly insurance could range between $100 to $130 depending on state and driver profile. In Asia, insurance costs vary, but EV-specific insurance is becoming more common and affordable. Parts availability is improving fast. Tesla is expanding service centers globally, and the Model 1 shares many components with other Tesla vehicles, making parts easier to source over time. Now let's compare it briefly with competitors. Compared to the Tesla Model 3, the Model 1 is cheaper, smaller, and more city-focused. You lose some performance and range, but you save a lot of money up front. Against something like the Toyota Hilux, the comparison is about lifestyle. The Hilux is tough and great for rough roads, but fuel cost, maintenance, and emissions are much higher. For urban drivers who don't need heavy-duty hauling, the Model 1 is smarter, cleaner, and far cheaper to run. For Asian roads and traffic, this car makes a lot of sense. It's compact, easy to park, and perfect for narrow streets. The tight turning radius helps in crowded cities like Tokyo, Bangkok, and Jakarta. Silent driving reduces noise pollution, and zero emissions help meet stricter urban regulations. For daily office commutes, family errands, and city life, the Model 1 fits naturally. Inside, Tesla keeps things minimal. A central touchscreen controls everything, which may feel strange at first but becomes intuitive quickly. Software updates arrive over the air, improving the car over time without visiting a service center. Safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control are expected as standard, which is impressive at this price point. So who should buy the 2026 Tesla Model 1? If you want a low-cost daily car, hate spending money on fuel, want predictable ownership costs, and live mostly in cities, this is one of the smartest choices of 2026. It's not flashy, it's not a performance monster, but it's practical, modern, and future-proof. If Tesla delivers this car at the promised price, the Model 1 could change the global car market, especially in Asia. Affordable EVs are the future, and this might be the one that finally makes sense for everyone. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Trust me, the EV revolution is just getting started, and you'll want to be here for it.